Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the best grill lights on the market, the KOSIN barbecue grill light with a magnetic base. Whether you're grilling on a late evening or just need better visibility during those nighttime barbecue sessions, this grill light has got you covered. First off, let's talk about the design and functionality. This grill light features 9 super bright LEDs, offering a wide and glare-free light beam. It illuminates your cooking area perfectly, ensuring that you can see your food clearly no matter what time of day it is. What makes this light stand out is the powerful magnetic base. The KOSIN grill light is incredibly easy to mount to any metal surface, so no tools are required. You can attach it directly to your grill, smoker, or any other magnetic surface, making it quick and hassle-free to set up. But that's not all. The flexible gooseneck design allows for full 360-degree rotation, so you can position the light exactly where you need it. Whether you want to shine light on your grill grates or direct it to a different area, this grill light can adjust to meet your needs. Plus, the gooseneck is 4.5 inches long, giving you ample flexibility to get just the right angle. Now, if you're worried about durability, you'll be pleased to know that this light is built to last. Made from a high-quality aluminum alloy, it's resistant to heat and can withstand those extreme outdoor conditions. Rain or snow, no problem. This grill light is water-resistant, making it perfect for year-round grilling, no matter the weather. One of the best features of this product is its portability. When you're not grilling, you can easily detach the light and use it for other activities. Whether it's for biking, camping, reading, or even for work around the garage, the KOSIN grill light is versatile enough to meet your needs. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it the perfect multi-purpose tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Finally, let's talk about power. The KOSIN grill light comes with 6 AAA batteries, which are included in the package. This means you can start using it right away without the hassle of buying extra batteries. The long-lasting battery life ensures you'll get plenty of use out of this light before needing a replacement. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and super bright barbecue light that will take your grilling experience to the next level, the KOSIN barbecue grill light is an excellent choice. With its magnetic base, adjustable gooseneck, and water-resistant design, it's a must-have accessory for anyone who loves to grill. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. See you next time.